You've enjoyed the high yields and simplicity of BrioDirect, but now you're moving on. Maybe you found an even better rate, or your financial strategy has shifted. That's great. But are you sure you know the safest, most efficient way to close your BrioDirect account without any surprise fees or loose ends? Closing any bank account requires a bit of planning to ensure a smooth transition. For a digital-first institution like BrioDirect, which is a division of Webster Bank, the process is straightforward, but it primarily relies on one key action. Here's the step-by-step guide to safely closing your BrioDirect account. Step 1. Do your prep work. Before you initiate the closure, make sure you've covered your bases. First, check your account type for potential penalties. If you're closing a high-yield savings account or CD very shortly after opening it, sometimes within 90 to 180 days, there might be an early closure fee. Review your original account disclosure agreement to be certain. Second, if you're keeping any funds, make sure your new bank account is already open and ready to receive money. Third, confirm that all pending transactions, including any automatic transfers or deposits, have completely cleared. You don't want a stray automatic payment bouncing after the account is shut down. The cleanest closure is always from a zero balance account with no activity. Step 2. Withdraw or transfer all funds. This is essential. You need to move all the money out of your BrioDirect account, leaving a zero balance. BrioDirect is a digital bank, so you can initiate a transfer yourself through the online banking portal, moving your money to your linked external bank account via ACH. Alternatively, and this is crucial, BrioDirect's own FAQs strongly suggest contacting them directly to manage the final withdrawal and closure, especially for a certificate of deposit. The official, safest route to handle the final funds and closure is to call BrioDirect Client Service. Their number is 877-369-2746. Their representatives can finalize the external transfer of your remaining balance or send a check for the full amount. This phone call essentially combines the final withdrawal with the closure request. Step 3. The closure request and confirmation. Once your balance is zero, or you're on the phone arranging the final withdrawal, formally request the account closure. Since BrioDirect doesn't have physical branches, the phone call is the preferred method. You'll need to confirm your identity, state your request to close the account, and confirm the method by which any residual interest or the final funds are being transferred or mailed to you. Crucially, you must ask for written confirmation that the account has been closed. This is your insurance policy. This confirmation can be an email or a mailed letter, but hold on to it with your financial records. It proves you are no longer responsible for that account. Finally, destroy any physical checks or debit cards associated with the account. Following these 3 steps, prep, zero out your balance, and get written confirmation, ensures you close your BrioDirect account both safely and completely. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.